How to log into your Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily log into your Gmail account on your laptop. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up any web browser you have, and then from here you are just going to have to search for Gmail and hit gmail.com. And once you have done that, you will be prompted to enter your email address. So if you have previously used the same email address on the browser, it will show up like this. But if you want to use another account, you could just click on use another account. And then from here, you could just enter your email address and then hit enter. Once you have done that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. So I'm just going to enter my password here. And once you have done that, you should be able to hit enter, or if you want to show your password, you can click on show password like this. Now once you're done, just hit on next, and if you have set up any two-step verification, you will have to allow it, and then you will be easily logged into your Gmail. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.